Guys, do you know how to make a paper airplane? Just like this. And yes, that's Zach. Does not want to. He's never been on YouTube before, so.
Yes, I have.
Okay, well, I guess.
My friend Joseph accidentally caught me on it, so.
Okay, well.
My
paper airplanes right here. Give me it. That's a paper airplane right here. Right now, I'm in the school. And.
Of course he is.
That's
what this is for.
Be on your paper airplane right there. All this stuff. Y'all can probably recognize the yellow one right there.
Can I be on your YouTube channel?
And Alex right here. So
I'd rather watch you up on YouTube.
Do y'all any of y'all know how to make one?
I'll show you one.
Well, if y'all know how to, he'll show y'all since he knows how to make one.
I'm a bit rusty.
As long as you make a good one, it'll be nice. Oh, I think I see what you're gonna make.
How did you make your own YouTube channel?
Well, I've had it for 3 days. I made my first one in a different state. I'm in Virginia now. I was in Tennessee, now I'm in Virginia. One state from each other. And there is the paper airplane.
I told you I'm rusty.
If y'all like this, comment down below. Tell me if you like it.
They won't like it, I know.
But as long as it flies,
I wish we could just play on computers.
I'm gonna make my own video.
As long as it flies, it's really good. Look at the size. This is the one I made. Look at this size. I might have to put it on this kind of screen. Yep.
This is how tiny a paper airplane is.
Yep. This one flies horrible. See?
Because it doesn't have a base like this one. Look at how this one flies.
That one doesn't. It goes like. Ah. That one goes like. Mine goes like this.
Do you want me to just take a video of you acting ridiculous? No. Then sit down and be quiet.
Yeah. Let's just turn it off.
That was my teacher, Ms. Hendricks. Alright, well, I hope y'all enjoy our video. Leave like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my 4th. I know I see you put that paper airplane on it.
And I just gave him bunny
all
ears.
y'all see it, so.
Just give him bunny ears.
Alright, well, thank you guys. Once again, that's Alex. Say hi to my fans.
Hi.
And this is Zach does not want to be on YouTube. Look,
Okay,
it's fine. And that's Zach.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
And hi, people. Hi. Well, thank y'all. Subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Peace.